Okay, question number 66. What is the importance of balanced diet? It is important to A. Expose the body to malnutrition. B. Maintain healthy body development. C. Make the body overnutrition. D. End up with obvious body conditions. በነገራችን ላይ ባላንስ ዳይት ማለት የተመጣጠነ ምግብ ማለት ነው። A diet that contains the essential nutrients that are very important for healthy body ማለት ነው። So balanced diet is very important to maintain healthy body development. So the answer is B. 67. A student conducted an experiment on unknown food items. በነገራችን ላይ kind of food test ነው ማለት ነው። He put a drop of specimen from the unknown food item on a clean sheet of filter paper using dropper. Then he left the paper for a few minutes. He found a spot where the sample was placed while holding the paper against light coming in through the window. What was the unknown food item? በነገራችን ላይ these food items are said to be lipids. ሊፒድስ ማለት ፋትስ ኤንድ ኦይልስ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ኦይሎች ስፔሻሊ ደግሞ ክሊን ሺት ፊልተር ፔፐር ላይ የሆነ ስፖት ነገር ክሬት የማድረግ ባህሪ ያላቸው እና የሆነ ትራንስፓረንት የሆነ ነገርን ክሬት ያደርጋሉ። ዛትስ ዋይ እንደዚህ አይነት ባህሪ ሊያሳይ የሚችሉ ሊፒዶች ናቸው። ሶ ዲ unknown food item should be lipid. The next question, number 68. This diagram indicates the human digestive system. ይህ ስርዓተ ልመት ወይ ደግሞ ምግብን የመፍጨት ሂደትን የሚያሳይ ዳያግራም ነው። ሶ በነገራችን ላይ what are the organs that involves in digestive system? The process of digestion starts in mouth, then goes down to the stomach through esophagus. ስለዚህ ኤሶፋገስ አለ። ከኤሶፋገስ ቀጥሎ የምናገኘው ሳክ ላይክ ስትራክቸር is said to be stomach. Then small intestine አለ which is surrounded by the large intestine. The process of digestion completes in small intestine በነገራችን ላይ ሶ ማውዝ አለ። ከማውዝ ቀጥሎ ያለውን ስትራክቸር which is tubular structure esophagus ነው። ከኤሶፋገስ ቀጥሎ ያለው which is indicated by letter B is stomach. So the letter B on the above diagram represents stomach. Good.